Hey ho, nobody home, meat nor drink nor money have I none, yet shall we be merry. Hey ho, nobody home, meat nor drink nor money have I none, yet shall we be merry. Hey ho, nobody home. A soul cake, please good Mrs. A soul cake, an apple, a pear, a plum, a cherry, any good thing to make us all merry. 1 for Peter, 2 for Paul, 3 for him who made us all. God bless the master of this house, and the mistress also, and all the little children that round your table grow, the cattle in your stable, and the dog by your front door, and all that dwell within your gates, we wish you 10 times more. A soul cake, please good Mrs. A soul cake, an apple, a pear, a plum, a cherry, any good thing to make us all merry. 1 for Peter, 2 for Paul, 3 for him who made us all. Go down into the cellar and see what you can find. If the barrels are not empty, hope you will be kind with your apple and straw pear. Will come no more a soul until this time next year. A soul cake, please good Mrs. A soul cake, apple, pear, plum, a cherry, any good thing to make us all merry. 1 for Peter, 2 for Paul, 3 for him who made us all. The streets are very dirty, my shoes are very thin, I have a little pocket to put a penny in. If you haven't got a penny, a halfpenny will do. If you haven't got a halfpenny, then God bless you. A soul cake, please good Mrs. A soul cake, an apple, pear, plum, a cherry, any good thing to make us all merry. 1 for Peter, 2 for Paul, 3 for him who made us all. Now to the Lord sing praises, all you within this place, and with true love and brotherhood, any good thing to make us all merry. This holy title to